What's up guys, we got an interesting unboxing today. I've seen a lot of people liked the PlayStation deck unboxing, and today we're going to go and do a little bit with Microsoft and Xbox. So I got the Xbox deck over here in Indiana at a place called Meijer. If you're in the Midwest, you're probably familiar with Meijer, but I had to pick them up and I accidentally damaged them as I bought it. But let's get a little bit into it. So the case looks really cool. So it's got Xbox on the top, official Xbox gear. On the side, it says Xbox official gear as well, with Xbox on it. The back gives a little bit of information, Microsoft playing cards, Xbox official gear, and it is by the same company that did the PlayStation deck. So Paladone, they did a video on their channel explaining that they actually worked a lot with the Xbox company to make these. So it's a little bit different than the PlayStation because Xbox did work on them with this rather than kind of, I think, how Paladone did the PlayStation. They just kind of came up with a design and PlayStation said go with it. They actually worked with them on this one. So there's little pieces for this one that's kind of interesting. So the side says official, this side says official. Has Xbox on top, nothing on the bottom, and let's get this open. Easiest way possible. And it comes in a tin, just like the PlayStation deck, so it is really cool. I'm more of a PlayStation guy, but this I do like the deck for. It has this cool, I wish it was an embossed design, it's just painted like that, but it has the X, it also has the logo right here, and on the back it says Paladone with a serial number. It says 2009 Microsoft, so I'm actually surprised. I thought these were very, very new comparatively to the cards I've gotten. So I mean, it's kind of new. I guess with COVID and everything, it messed us up. But let's crack them open, and they are in a nice little cellophane. That is a cool Joker. So let's unwrap these very quick. So we got them unwrapped. The Joker looks pretty interesting. Let's get this in view. So it has the Xbox logo. It does have a couple games in it if you actually see. So it has Gears of War. It has the Xbox controller. A little bit of Minecraft. Some racing. I don't know if they want to do like a Need for Speed with that one. And they also have a little bit of Halo in there. So it's really cool. I enjoy it. I'm trying to get it the best way possible for you guys to see, but pretty interesting. So you got the two Jokers. This is something kind of like how I really enjoyed what they would have did with the PlayStation. It's the A button. So the PlayStation did have the X, the triangle and everything, but I feel like it wasn't like this. This is kind of cool, and like I said, you can probably do a magic trick where you have somebody write down like a cheat code and then you can like deal out the cards as the cheat code, if that makes sense. Also, let's look at the back of the cards. I forgot about this. The backs are this really cool design of the buttons, the Xbox button, and the controllers. Let's put that down, let's see if I can look at that. So it's a very interesting design on the back. It's a little bit noisy. I like simplicity, but I mean, this isn't a deck for magicians. This is just a deck to have fun with and collect. So I really enjoy the back on that one. And it looks like all the cards have like the button for the A. There's the X. So we don't have hearts, spades, diamonds, clubs. We just have the different buttons. Oh, there's the Queen. Join the club. That's interesting. I wonder if the other... Oh, the other ones have... let's look at this. So the Queen has joined the club. The Jack says Team Xbox. It's a 10. King is overachiever. And then the Ace is just a ace. Well, that's pretty interesting. Overall, these cards The feel are kind of the same like the PlayStation, so when you do, it kind of feels a lot better with these actually. But they are the same finish. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? Xbox or PlayStation for the cards, not the console, just the cards. What do you think? I think they really did good with the tin on this one. I do like the PlayStation tin a little bit better though. The PlayStation tin is better, however, the card detail for the Xbox is way better. The case, except for the being beat up, I really enjoy the case for the Xbox here as well. But I like the quartz, how they have, you know, Team Xbox, join the club, overachiever. I wish they would have done more like this with PlayStation, because the PlayStation has the little awards, the silver, the gold, the platinum. So it'd be really interesting to have seen it in a PlayStation form rather than Xbox. But again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.